So you may have been around for the invasion of ugly metal lamps on every restaurant table. So this appeared on Maddie's table, and this amazing lamp appeared the next day. So I gave Maddie an ugly metal lamp, and he tore it to pieces. He took it apart, and he decided he could do better, which he has. It took a batu,
Ya,
a piece of bamboo,
kayak ini dari dahannya bambu petung.
bamboo patung, big bamboo branch.
Ya, ini sudah dibuang ini. Kalau di sini, di bawahnya Bapak ini bisa bernilai tinggi. Mahal itu jadinya ini.
Was Made's incredible eye that saw these basically in the trash and turned them into beauty.
Kalau Bapak tidak ada sket-sket.
Skets are only required by square heads, and we are not square. So one of the things about these lamps is everyone is different. Every stone is different, every bamboo is different, every grouping is different. So this is veneer, bamboo veneer. It's super thin, it's like cloth, and the light comes through it, which is the whole magic of the lamp. It's a little tricky to turn it into something that is the shape, but Made does it.
Yeah.
So it's wonderful to have these everywhere at Bambu Indah, on every table. They make beautiful light, and they have a little surprise. Hidden inside the bamboo is more bamboo. So if you want a beautiful lamp, a simple 1 or a 3 or a 4, they're available at the Tangan store in Bambu Indah. They're also available when you come to PT Bamboo Pure and have your bamboo tour. Take one home. You'll never be unhappy.